Hello everyone, this is how to hot swap without opening up your Xbox. It's only for a certain kind of Xbox, so second. Okay, you wanna press the Y button. Wait, you wanna put in the disc first, the World at War disc. Except I am just gonna be demonstrating with the Halo 3 disc and the Call of Duty 4 disc. So I'm gonna put in the Halo 3 disc, and you should put it on autoplay disabled so you can go straight to the thing. And it should say, I'll be reading, it'll say play game, and wait until it says game details, so press Y, and you want to press at the same exact time, so, and it's gonna open now, and it's still gonna be on the Halo thing. So then you can take out the Halo disc and put in the Call of Duty 4 or Modern Warfare 2, which I'm doing, and then you just close it, and it should work. And you would do this with the World at War disc and then the ISO modded disc. So just a second, and see, it has all the achievements for Halo 3, and it says Modern Warfare 2 at the top. That means that it is already modded, or it is hot swapped. So yeah, so I hope this helped, and if it did, subscribe please. And yeah, so that's how to hot swap without taking apart your Xbox. Thank you.